Integrity and security controls have to be designed in to protect the system from either accidental or deliberate attempts to compromise the system. Integrity controls and security controls have a lot of overlap. One way of thinking about the difference is integrity controls need to be designed in for each specific application or system, whereas security controls tend to be designed in to protect all of the applications or all of the systems in a comprehensive way. First, consider the parts of the system that are running on an internal network. The internal network, of course, is protected by a firewall from outside access. In terms of the devices used on the internal network directly, you have workstations, you have tablets, you have smartphones, you have notebooks, and you have output devices of various types. And so controls for these would involve input controls, processing controls, and operating system controls, plus output controls. Input controls have to do with making sure that inputs to the system are correct and complete. Processing controls have to do with making sure that the processing carried out is accurate and complete and is done correctly. Operating system controls are important to make sure everything is running well. Output controls have to do with making sure that any outputs, either printed out or viewable from the system, only go to where they're authorized to go. And that's very important when you're printing out paper with confidential information on it. It's also important if there are various online screens and reports where people could be viewing private information. And then on the other side of the internal network, we have various servers and processors. There have to be operating system controls for those, and there have to be processing controls for those. So that would be the internal network side. On the external side, you have an application that's running via the internet, and you have input processing and operating system controls there as well. And of course, on your servers, you have processing operating system controls, as well as database controls as being important there. So again, when you're looking at integrity and security, we have input processing, operating system, network access, output controls, database controls, encryption controls.